Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you still don't know what to get for your crush, why not gift them something handmade? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a chip bag filled with love notes. Get a piece of colored paper and fold it almost in half. Leave a 1 cm gap at one end and use a pencil to draw a line along it. Unfold the paper and draw a heart in the center of one of the halves. Then, use scissors to carefully make a hole and cut it out. Next, get a plastic sheet and cut out a piece that's large enough to cover the entire heart. Fold the paper back in half and start decorating the outside. You can be creative with this step and decorate it however you want. Open the paper back up and add a hot glue all around the border of the heart. Then, press the plastic sheet on and cut off the excess. Use a glue stick to glue the 1 cm gap and fold the other half onto it. Trim off the top and bottom if the chip bag is too long so that it's a short rectangular shape. To make the chips inside, get some yellow paper and cut them into small squares. You can either cut them into circles or do what I'm doing here and cut them into heart shapes instead. Then, write your love notes or whatever you want to say to your crush on these hearts. To make the chips more realistic, I'm going to fold ruffles into it.
All you
you need to do is fold the paper forward and backward so that you end up with something like this. Open up the chip bag and cut a small incision around 2 cm long along the bottom of the bag. Hold one side up and add hot glue along the line. Then press the top down firmly and wait for it to dry. To make the bag more realistic, you can also cut triangles along the bottom. Open up the bag and put all of the heart-shaped chips into it. Close up the bag, hold the top half up, and add hot glue along the line. Wait for this to dry and again cut triangles along the top. This DIY is the perfect last-minute addition to your gift, and when it's opened, you can read all of the romantic notes inside.